Welcome to Cadillac Casting. Thank you for visiting us today. Safety is paramount to us here at CCI. We expect all employees, visitors, and contractors to follow all safety protocols. We invite you to take a look inside our foundry to see why we are so proud of our products, technology, and facility.
Cadillac Casting is an industry leader in ductile iron castings. We have earned the reputation of developing and manufacturing superior products. At Cadillac Casting, we strive to keep our products and facility unparalleled in the marketplace for technology advancements and excellence, and of course, safety. Our 274,400 square foot plant has over 400 qualified engineers, administrators, and skilled production people. This produces many different aspects to be aware of regarding everyone's safety, whether you are a visitor, supplier, or contract worker. While visiting our foundry, everyone must wear personal protective equipment. This includes safety glasses, hearing protection, hard hats, and sometimes gloves. We can provide these items if needed. A safety dress code must also be followed without exception, including closed-toed shoes, long pants, and long sleeves. In all production areas, steel-toed shoes are required, along with fire-resistant jackets in hot zone areas. You cannot use cameras or cell phones for talking, texting, or taking pictures or video when in our foundry. As you can imagine, the pace at a facility of our caliber is fast. We have vehicle and pedestrian traffic simultaneously. Pay special attention to the forklifts, hot metal carriers, sweepers, and other mobile equipment that is continuously moving about the foundry. Note the high traffic areas in shipping, product storage, and near production machinery. To be safe, stay in the designated walkways. Always stop at corners and check for traffic before moving across an aisle, and never walk between equipment or through work areas. If you think an operator is giving you the right of way, make eye contact and confirm before proceeding. Do not walk through overhead doors. Use the pedestrian doorway. Of course, access is restricted in hot zones, including the foundry's melt and molding. There is specific hot zone training before access is granted to these areas. The manufacturing process includes different chemicals. It is prohibited to bring any chemicals into Cadillac Casting without prior consent, and the purchase order that includes which work requires their use. Chemicals must be labeled. Safety data sheets for all chemicals used by Cadillac Casting are available upon request. Safety is priority number one. We depend on our occupational health and safety and environmental management systems to identify hazards and implement actions to reduce exposure and control risk. By controlling risk, we keep you and our employees from harm. We first ask, can the risk be eliminated, or is there a substitution? Are engineering controls available? What training signs, warnings, or other administrative controls can be put in place? What personal protective equipment is required? All employees and visitors must report any environmental health or safety concern and accidents immediately to the Guide of Department Manager. All injuries, even close calls or property damage, no matter how minor, must be reported immediately. All employees are trained in our emergency response system. Report medical emergencies, fire, or chemical spills immediately. Or if you need help in any type of emergency, please ask an employee. In case of a fire or other emergency that requires evacuating the building, your guide will lead you to the nearest safe exit. Please do not leave the grounds at this time, as all visitors will be accounted for through our emergency action plan. You will receive instructions when it is safe to leave the grounds or return to the building. Beautiful Michigan rarely produces severe weather. However, we do have safe places to take cover in case of any emergency that requires you to take cover. Please follow your guide to the safe areas marked throughout the building. Cadillac Casting will continue to improve safety conditions and protect all employees and visitors. Remember, you must be pre-approved through our plant safety department and purchasing department prior to arriving, and if necessary, have completed the required safety training. You will sign in and receive a visitor's badge that must be worn on site. You must stay with your guide. Always report all incidents. If you have any questions or concerns, please ask a Cadillac Casting employee during your visit.
We're excited for you to see our world-class facility and why Cadillac Casting is a clear choice for ductile iron castings. Have a great and safe visit to our company.